In this video, I'm going to go over some of my favorite features of this Vive reclining shower chair. So first is going to be the assembly process of this. It was super easy. Basically, it comes fully assembled for you. All you need to do is put on the wheels, armrests, and feet rests, and there's no tools that are required to get this thing assembled. You can do it all by hand. Second thing I love about it is going to be how easy it is to recline. So on the back, it's going to have a handbrake similar to a bicycle. All you got to do is pull that and just pull it up and down, and you can easily put this into a 35-degree recline or anywhere that's in between that, so it's most comfortable for you or easiest to use. And just like the ease of putting this into recline, it's super easy to get your handbars and feet plates put into place. You can have them open, so it's very easy to get onto the wheelchair. But then when you do want to lock them in place for more security, you can easily flip them around and everything pops into place. Very, very simple. You can do it yourself while you're sitting in it. Otherwise, you can help somebody as well. And you can have this thing switched in and out in seconds. Everything moves smoothly and very easy to use. And the third thing that I love is the ability to turn this into a commode. You can do this in seconds. Simply just take off the piece in the middle and you can slide that tray in and out. So like I said, everything about this is very, very easy to use. You can switch things around and just make this tool be as helpful as possible for yourself or maybe your loved one. Overall, I'm super happy with this product. It does its job exactly as it should. So I give it 2 thumbs up.